Okay, so now we're going to talk about for the Solis that you rented, the inside, the whole what we call the control panel. So we'll kind of go over all this. This is the part that can get kind of confusing, but we're going to go each step through it, and then whenever you come to pick it up, we'll help you out there. So first off, we're going to start kind of right over here. So as like we said outside, there's two propane valves, one on the propane tank, one in here. They both have to be on to either run your furnace, your hot water, or your stovetop. So make sure that both propane valves are on. So flip this one on along with the one out on the tank on the side. Then up here, so we'll go to this. This is all your solar controller. Please do not touch anything on this. You could watch it. It'll tell you how much solar is coming in and how much has been used. So please don't touch that. Next here, this is your main control panel for your water stuff. So whenever you're dry camping and you want to pump out of the tank, you want to turn your water pump on. So turn it on, you see the little red dot come on. So that means there that we're on. Now you can use the water. We recommend leaving it off unless you actually need water to wash your hands, use the toilet, the shower, anything like that. Next is if you push this button, this is your propane tank, so LPG. So you push that, you can see it goes all the way up to full. So that's where we want to know it's full. Obviously, if you get down to 1/3, you probably want to think about refilling it back up sometime in your trip. So all of our vehicles will always go out full. Next is battery. If you kind of really want to watch, it's obviously with solar, it's coming in. So at night, it might kind of be down a little bit. Just don't let a battery get down to 1/3. Next is your gray tank. So the big outside tank that we talked about on down below, it's got your gray tank. So all your sinks and shower water is into that tank, which is a 20-gallon tank. So that's how you monitor it. So empty is because it's going out empty. Obviously, as you use more and more water, it should start to go to full, and then you will need to dump that. Okay, so next, actually I'll step down here. So this is your holding tank heater. So it's a gray tank heater. We would only turn this guy on if you're really camping in some really cold weather. So most likely you just leave it off, but we will coach you through on when to use this. So don't just turn it on just to run it. It does use a lot of electric power. Okay, so next, this controller here, this Truma system, this is your furnace and your hot water heater. So to start it, right now it's just in idle mode. So to start it, you're going to push your button. So you push it right in the center, it lights up. So this little thing right here that's flashing with the thermometer inside the truck, that is your furnace. The next one over, the thermometer in the water, is your hot water heater. So if you say, I want to do my furnace, so that's the one that's flashing, that's the one you're on, push your button again. Right now it's currently in off. So to turn it on, you rotate your dial. So say I want 62 degrees, then you have to push the center again. So now your little flame came up here on the top. So now your furnace is going to kick on and off at 62 degrees is what you have it set at. So to turn it off, see it's set at 62, rotate that dial all the way back to off, push it again, and that activates it. So now the flame's gone, furnace is off. Now we'll go over to hot water heater. So we just rotate the dial over to the next one, push it, furnace or hot water heater is off. You've got three choices: eco, hot, or boost. So let's say we want to go to hot, activate to push it again. Now we're heating hot water up there at the top. So now we're going to heat hot water. So we recommend only running the furnace or the hot water heater only when you actually need hot water or you need, actual heat. So hot water will give it about 20 to 30 minutes to heat up the hot water. And then you should have hot water for your shower or anything like that. Now everything is off. So that's all of our main control panel there. So hopefully that all works. And we'll see you out on the road.